Welcome back to our Wix Automation series. So far, we focused on simple automations. One trigger, one action. But what if you need an action to happen later, or need one trigger to kick off 3 different tasks at once? In this video, we'll be turning a simple automation into a robust workflow by using multiple actions and multiple paths in Wix. Let's learn how to do it. On your site's dashboard, head over to the left and look for Automations. Create a new automation and select Start from Scratch. First, rename your automation, and then select your trigger. Your trigger is the action that tells Wix when to run the automation. This will be entirely up to you or on what you want to automate. Let's say, for example, when a member logs in. This is just the trigger that I selected. Feel free to select a trigger based on your goal. Now, click on the blinking plus button, and in this case, select Split. Now you have 2 paths. If you want to add another path, just click on this Add Another Path, and then another path will be added. So now you have 3. If in case you'd like to delete a path, just simply click on the Delete button next to it. Alright, let's work on path number 1 first. So under path number 1, click on the plus button and then select Action. On the left, select an action that you'd like to happen. Say for example, send a chat message. This is what I'm going to choose. Once you select an action, configure its settings here on the left panel. What you see in my screen might be different on what you see on your screen, because the things you need to set up here will depend on what action you selected. Anyway, make sure that you configure the settings of your action according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done setting up the things you need to set up here, review everything, and once everything's all good, click on Apply. And now we have a path for path number 1. Do the same for path number 2. Add a step, select Action, and select what you'd like to happen. Configure its settings here, and once done, click on Apply. Alright, once you're done working on your flow, review everything. See if your trigger is correct and correctly set up, as well as your paths. And once everything's all good, you can now click on Activate to start running your automation. And that's it. We hope this video helped you take your automations to the next level. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.